Today we are going to be doing a inspired makeup from Ariana Grande's new music video, Boyfriend. If you guys haven't seen it, you should check it out. It's really good and kind of funny, and I really like the vibe of it. If you are new here, hello, my name is Josie, and I put out new videos every single Tuesday and Friday. And I hope you will stay and join the Glam Fam. We are a happy bunch here, and it's just a happy place. So, hit that subscribe button if you would like to. If you don't, I mean, I guess it's a little hurtful, but I'll get over it. If you click the subscribe button and then the bell notification next to it, you have to actually click the bell notification and choose all notifications. Otherwise, you won't get my updates and you won't see my videos. And so, yeah, without further ado, let's jump into this tutorial. Alright guys, so I have done my foundation, eyebrows. I've arched them a little less than I usually do to kind of match Ariana's brow shape. And then I did my foundation, regular foundation routine, and I primed my eyes. So now we're going to move on to the eyes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a light to medium shade brown on the cooler side, and we are going to put that into our crease. But as we put it into our crease, we're going to wing it out just a little. Alright, then what we're going to do is we're going to take a darker brown and we are going to place that into the crease, but don't blend it as high as the last one. We're going to just kind of follow the bottom of this first color that we placed down. We're also going to focus this on just the outer portion of our eye. We're gonna take a eggshell color and just slightly highlight underneath our brows. Alright, then the fun part. We're going to take a light blue color and we are going to pack this onto the lid, and also feathering and blending it out a little bit higher than we normally would in the inner portion of our eyes. Once we have that done, we are going to go underneath our eyes with some dark brown shadow, almost black, maybe even adding a little bit black, and doing a really skinny black line as our bottom liner. We are going to do a super dramatic wing, keeping it really skinny on the inner portion of the eye, but really winging it out and making it thick on the outer portion of the eye. Alright, I'm going to put on some lashes and do my mascara, and I'll be right back. Now I'm just going to bronze a little bit, just bronze up the face around the perimeter. Then I'm just going to go in with a tiny amount of blush. This is just a Imovie blush from Collab. This is just for fun. Keep this back by our hairline and just blend it into that bronzer. For highlight, I'm going to be going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlight. Ariana Grande wears her highlight. It's a little bit different than just putting it on the top of your cheekbone. She actually kind of brings a little bit of it to the inner part of her cheek, so we're going to do that as well. Then on the nose, I'm just going to do a little boop, and then along my Cupid's bow. Alright, now for the last part, and that is lips. So, She's wearing a really pretty nude, and for that color I'm going to be going in with Stripped by Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's coming off a little too pink on camera, so I'm just going to dab on a little bit of Nudie Patootie by Wet n Wild. That looks a lot better. That is it for this look. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe down below. With the new thing that's going on with YouTube, you actually have to hit the subscribe button and also click the bell and push all notifications to see and get notified of all of my uploads. I know a lot of you guys are wondering why that is happening, but that's just how they're doing it now. So if you guys want to see my videos, please hit the subscribe button and then turn on all your notifications with the bell. And that is it. I will see you guys in my next video. I love y'all. Bye!